This is the second attempt at our pourings here. The first ones did not come out well at all. We had basically a lot of pitting, a lot of dimpling in these molds, and I don't know if you can see that there, all these holes that came out, and that came from the plaster of Paris mold. So we went with the silicone molds. We have the three shapes. We have the Armachd, we have the Cruthaich, and we have the Cruthaich. Okay, and we're going to do them in pewter. So I'm going to start with the Cruthaich mold. Unfortunately, we've had a problem with our forge here. The handle doesn't work to let the pewter out. So we've just kind of improvised and poured it into the ladle and poured it into there. We don't want to pour this into there because that's just too much splatter and too hard to control. He's got safety gloves on, and he should be wearing a face mask, but so far we've had pretty good luck with not going to the burn ward tonight, so let's go ahead and do this. And now I did put some powder in there. That's just basically plaster of Paris, and that helps the mold stick with the metal a lot better. And this stuff cools off really quick, so you want to be making sure that you're doing this pretty fast.
That's lots of it.
And there we go. And that's basically it. So what we do is you let it cool till it's mostly solid, and we've been dumping it in the snow to cool it off right away. This is an example of the other ones that we do. You take a piece of chain or a wire and you bend it, and then you put it in there while it's liquid, and then it solidifies, and this will go around the chain as a badge. This is the Armachd gear wheel, Cruthaich shield, and there's the Cruthaich knight with the scroll parchment. So that's the end of the pouring and casting video. Any questions, feel free to hit us up on Facebook. Thanks again for watching.